Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alakal Fitordana. I'm from 11 IPS 1. So today I'm gonna explain about a story that I choose. The title of the story was the title of the story was Clinking. It means little fingers in English. The story was start when the parents was a long time ago in a Bangka Belitung live couples. They were poor and they didn't have any children yet. Day and nights they have prayed to the God, and somehow they prayed about even if they had children that small as little fingers, they can accept that. So the orientation about this legends was the Klinkings. The characters was Klinkings and Klinkings parents. The plot of the story. What was involves a poor husband and wife in a Bangka Belitung who desperately pray for a child. Their Klinking, their wish is granted, but the baby named Klinking is born extremely small, only as big as little finger. As Klinking grows, his physical size remains small, but he possesses great strength. The parents, struggling with the poverty, initially contemplate abandoning him in the jungle due to their inability to feed him. However, Klinking surprised them by demonstrating his strength and resourcefulness, bringing back a large tree and later a massive stone, realizing his son's potential. The father apologizes and acknowledges Klinking unique abilities. From that point on, they work together, utilizing Klinking's strengths to improve their lives. The story to improve their lives. The resolutions of this story was when the Klinking's father realized his mistake. It was true that Klinking's body was small and he ate much food, but he was a nice kid and he had a great power. With that power, they could get a job and had a lot of money. The father then apologized to Klinking. Since then, they always work together. The climax of the story was when the father and Klinkings went to the jungle. When they arrived, the father asked Klinking to cut down a huge tree. When a Klinking was busy cutting down the tree, his father silently went home. The father thought that Klinking could die because the tree, but the father was wrong. Klinking was back to home and bring a huge tree that he asked for. And the Klinking will ask, "Father, where do you want to me put this big log?" asked Klinking. And father was surprised because of that. And the father was surprised because of that. And I think that the climax of the story. The moral value of this story was, don't ever underestimate a person, even a person has a small size. In Klinking's case, his small size doesn't diminish his worth. Instead, his extraordinary strength and resourcefulness become valuable assets to the family. The story encourages embracing diversity, understanding that everyone has their own set of strengths and that these strengths can contribute positively to the community and one's own life. And then the second moral value was about what never take a debt about someone's life. Instead, just it's in hands of God. The characteristic about in this character, it actually was kind of explained in the text. So the parents' characterizations in the story initially portrayed them as a desperate and poor, yearning for a child. They are depicted as devout individuals who pray for a child to God, even expressing willingness to accept a child as small as Littlefinger. As the story progress, the parents was desperate, more desperate, and as poverty led them to consider abandoning Clinking in the jungle due to the challenge of providing for him. This decision reflects their practical concerns rather than a lack of love for their sons. However, the father's actions reveal a lack of understanding and appreciation for Clinking's unique strength. He initially underestimated his son, thinking that Clinking's small size is disadvantage. It's only when Clinking demonstrates extraordinary strength and resolve and that the father realized his mistake and acknowledged Clinking's abilities. And about the Clinking characterization, Clinking has a unique characterizations, I think. In the story, his physical, he has a small physique, but he has a extraordinary strength and capability. Despite being born as small as a Littlefinger, Clinking possesses a powerful and resilient nature. He's not only surprised his parents by bringing back a large tree from the jungle, but also successfully carries a massive stone from the mountain. Clinking characteristic was portrayed as obedient, kind, and willing to help his parent, despite their initial doubts about his ability to contribute to the parent. His actions speak louder than his physical size, showcasing his determination and determination. Clinking's character embodies the term for inner strength as the value of recognizing and appreciate unique qualities in the individuals. The story emphasizes that physical appearance alone doesn't define a person's worth, and Clinking's character challenges stereotype as prejudice based on size. The resolutions done. And the settings from these legends was from the Bangka Belitung, somewhere in place in Bangka Belitung. Okay, thank you. That's for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.